9676. Today we're going to look at a 2020-23 RZX Tige surf boat. Starting on the back of the boat, we've got a rear view camera. You can also hook up your GoPro to this. We'll show you on the screen in the console. Real nice swim deck back here on the back. This locker will fit your surfboards real deep. You can get a couple of them in there, very good access. So starting back here on the swim pad, we've got storage underneath both sides of the aft. These bags you can actually take out, give you a lot more room. They're plug and play. If you want to add more weight to the boat, put them in, hit the button, fill them up with water. You have that on both sides. As you see, you've got a real nice gator step walk-through. There's also gator step on the seat, so it gives you real good traction coming in. Down here you can see the seating is U-shaped. You can also convert this seat into a real nice back. This lifts up. If you'd like to have rearward facing seats, both sides flip up and back. Underneath here we have storage, both sides. Yeah, very simple in and out. Down in the floor we've got a nice little storage area. Also underneath here is a trash can. So if you're sitting back here, you've got a nice area to throw your trash away. Nice gas shock hinge. These seats deploy real simple. Pull a button, push them back down. We've got a nice tower on this boat. Weight racks slide around. This feature here will enable you to put various size boards in, and they'll actually lock and adjust to the thickness of a board. So if people have different size boards, they'll adjust automatically. You've got some wet sound speakers up here on the top. Real nice ample sunshade. You also have some straps on the top that you can hook your boards onto to keep them out of the way. Further into the floor of the bow, we actually have more storage in the floor. As you can see, it's even finished. Has a nice gas shock to keep it up. You've got an in-charge phone holder here. Plug your smartphone in, click it on, actually will charge your phone. We've got a smart wheel. You'll notice as you turn the steering wheel, all the gauges and controls will stay stationary. This is actually hardwired into the panel. It's all touch screen. As you'll notice, we've got the Go system on here. If you want to ski, surf, or wake, very simply push whatever method you want to do, hit go. The boat will balance out itself with the proper ballast in the back. Set your trim tabs, and you're off and running the business. You've got a very nice captain's chair, bolster. Actually reclines back and forth, so it gives you a lot of room. Working further up into the bow, we've got a real nice finished bow area. We've got stainless steel pop-up cleats, drink holders, speakers. And that will conclude the RZX23 by Tige 2020. I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Call or come by and take a look at it in person.